Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar, and in this video we will see about batch numbers. So typically, like in our industry, let's consider an example of medicine. Okay, so basically the medicine have tablets, okay, and they are manufactured on the batch. So there's a particular lot or group, you can say that it typically gets manufactured on a batch. So how we can track these kind of information into our ERP? So for that, what I will do, I will create a new release product first. So I can go to my product information management, release product, and I will create a new product named as medicine, or let me say as uh, tablet. And okay, so I'll be creating this particular item, but for that, I'll need to first of all create a tracking dimension group. So what I will do, let me create a tracking dimension group first. So here what I will do, I will say this as my medicine group, DIC, and let me make MS capital, and let me save this. So I'm simply creating a tracking dimension group. Now as I require my batch, so I can click on this batch and let me save this. Okay, now I will go back. So instead of this, let me call my product as medicine only. Let me copy this and copy it here as well. Alright, now here I can select my other information. So for example, I can say my LIFO item group I can select. So let me select this only. I can say site and warehouse, and here I will make sure I'm selecting the group, the tracking dimension group that I just now created. Say this as 10, and here I can say this is 11. Oh, sorry, this is inventory price. I should have said sales. Okay. Alright, now my release product is ready now. Okay, so now here I can go to my manage inventory, and here I can go to my batches. So here I will create a batch group. So let me say this as medicine A group, something like this. Okay, and here you can basically set all other information as well. You can reset as well. But for now, let me go ahead and go back. Now here this medicine is available for this medicine product. So basically this group is available. Now I can create another group here. I can say this as medicine B. I can specify my other information. For example, this will be created in 20, let's say 7 on this date, and let me save this. Now what I will do, I will create my purchase order quickly. Let me go here and create my purchase order. I can say new. I can select my vendor. Let me go with this one, and let me click OK. And now here I can select that item, that is medicine. Can specify site and warehouse. Let me say that I need my 2 quantities. Alright, now when you will do product receipt, if you will not specify your batch, so you will get an error. So let me quickly do registration here. Okay, I can click on this add registration line. Okay, and let me save this, and let me say confirm registration. Now it will give me error here. inventory dimension batch must be specified. So here now I will have those two batch that I have created here. So you can see here, okay, here this is the additional information. Now if I'll select let me select this one and let me say save. Okay, so now I have specified the batch as well. So these two product belongs to this particular batch. So now if I will do my registration, let's say here confirm registration. So now my registration is completed. You can see here the status is changed to register. So now let me quickly go ahead and check the on hand of this particular item. So let me open this item. Okay, so you can see that this is available, like the two items are available for this particular product. Okay, and here you can get the batch information as well. So if I will go to my dimension and my batch information, so you can see this belongs to this medicine A. Okay, now this is a manual process where each time you need to specify batch, but usually when you will do manufacturing or when you will receive the item, so you want that to happen automatically. So for that, what you can do, you will need to do a setup in your release product. So let me open my product first, that medicine product. I'll open this. Here currently you can see this batch, and here if you go to your manage inventory, here you have this batch number group. So what you can do, you can simply click on edit here. Now you will need to create a batch number group. So I can go to my view details. Here, like few, the by default one. So what I can do, I can simply now say that my medicine A, this will be my medicine A batch group. And let me create a manual number sequence here. So what I will do, I will create a number sequence. Let me open this. I can say this as my constant here. I will say this would be something like medicine A. Okay, then you should have the format like this. So I can save this. Okay, so here I think I should be good. Let me save, come back. Let me select my batch number group, that is medicine A. I will save this. Let me go here. So here one more important thing that I want to highlight is this per quantity. So typically you will get the auto number batch up to certain products. For example, you may have bundle of 10 products. So let me say that I have bundle of 10 products. My 10 products will get a particular batch number, the next 10 will get a different. Similarly, the series will be cumulative. Now let me go to my purchase order. Remember we have selected here 10, so I will show you how you can leverage that. So I can use my same purchase order. So I think this was the purchase order. Okay, this was the older one, so I can remove this. And because, okay, I think it is already registered, so this can't be removed. So what I will do, I will simply add line, my same line, my same item. And I should give my line number 2 now. So I can say 111 here. Okay, so now let me specify the quantity as 22. So what will happen, my 10 quantity will get a particular batch number, then the next 10. Similarly, the series will behave. So what I can do, I can register my line here. Okay, and this time I will simply click on add registration line. Here I not need to select my batch number, so I can simply say confirm registration. So you can see automatically these are the 3 batch numbers that has been created with 38, 39, 40, and my 10 items are here, the next 10, and then 2 here. Now this is registered, so I can come back here and let me go to my on hand. So I can go to my where is my release product? Go to recent release product. Okay, so here I can go to my on hand inventory. Okay, here you can see this is something I manually created, like my medicine A batch number. Then the next batch numbers are here, 38, 39, and they are in bundle of 10, 10, 10, comma 2. So this is all about how you can create manual and automatic batch numbers and allocate that to your release product. So thank you for watching this video.